In this video, I'm going to teach you how to renew your UK driving license online through the official government website. It's simple, secure, and only takes a few minutes if you have the right documents ready. Let's get started. First, go to gov.uk. This is the only official UK government website where you can safely renew your license. Then scroll down and click on Driving and Transport to find the correct section related to your driving documents. Next, find driving licenses from the list and click on it to access all services related to license management. After that, select Renew your driving license. This will bring you to the renewal application page. Now, make sure you have the required documents such as your UK passport, current driving license, and national insurance number, then click Start Now. And finally, answer all the personal questions carefully, such as your address, eyesight confirmation, and eligibility. Once completed, you'll get a confirmation, and your new license should arrive by post within a week or two. And that's how you renew your UK driving license online the easy way. If this helped you, like this video and subscribe to How to Tutor for more simple guides. See you next time!